Hello, today I will show you how to include star rating in your Excel file. Let's say you have the following information. Let's include geography as the last subject we are to give rating to. Highlight the rating columns, then go to Data, select Data Validation. Under the setting, change the Allow to List for your source input 12345, then press OK. You can now see your average rating value. To show the star, enter equals REPT RRUNICHAR 9733, followed by the average rating we're on, then enter. You can justify as you like, and you can also change your star color. So rate the remaining subject. Drag down, and it will show the ratings accordingly. That's it for today.